Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy chignon using 3 ponytails. To start, leave some hair out to frame the face and divide the hair into 3 sections. Just make sure you leave that middle section slightly bigger than the outer 2. Then secure that middle section into a low ponytail using an elastic band. Next, secure those side sections into elastic bands, creating 3 ponytails altogether. Now I'm going to take another elastic band and I'm just going to slip it over the left-hand ponytail. Then I'm going to twist the band once and then pull the middle ponytail through it. And then twist that band one more time and bring that third ponytail through it. This will help all the ponytails merge together. Now I'm going to add another elastic band about halfway down the hair. And next we're just going to create a small bungee using an elastic band and 2 bobby pins. Now take hold of the hair and fold it upwards so it meets the head. Now we're going to take that bungee and we're going to pop one pin behind the elastic band, hold it in place and bring the other pin over to the opposite side and slip it underneath. With the tail ends, I'm just going to divide these in half and cross them over each other. And working on the left hand side first, I'm just going to give it a slight twist and pin it as close to that little looped chignon as we can. And then repeat on the right hand side, so bring it down to the little loop, tuck it under and pin it to the head with a couple of bobby pins. Now taking those tail ends left on the left hand side, I'm just going to pop them inside that little loop that we made for the chignon and push that chignon towards the head and secure it with a couple of bobby pins at the nape of the neck. Then repeat on the right hand side, so tuck it inside that little chignon and pin to the head. Then just make any adjustments so you can't see the elastic band. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.